What if I told you that your best performing marketing channel is already on your customer list? No CAC, no tricky algorithms, just real people telling their real friends about you. And get this, one of our brands generated over $40K in referral revenue in under 30 days, all without spending a dime on ads. If you're not running a referral program yet, you're sleeping on one of the most powerful growth loops in e-commerce. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to start, launch, and grow a referral program for your Shopify e-commerce brand. That being said, let's dive into it. So here's the truth. Ads are getting more expensive. Email is competitive and retention is king. But what most brands miss is this. Your happiest customers are your secret sales team. People trust people, and referral programs let you automate word of mouth at scale. Referred customers are 4 times more likely to convert. They have a 16% higher LTV than regular customers. 84% of people say they trust recommendations from friends and family over any other form of advertising. This isn't just a nice to have. It's a growth engine for your brand. So you've heard about it. Now you're probably thinking, what's the best tool that I can actually use for this? So here's my top referral program picks for Shopify brands. The first one is Referral Candy. Now, I've been using Referral Candy for 10 years now. It's affordable, it's easy to set up, and it's great for small and medium-sized brands. So next up is Talkable. It's more enterprise level, and this gives you access to more deeper segmentation and personalization. Next, we have FriendBuy. FriendBuy is a little more expensive. It has a sleeker UI, a native Shopify integration, and A/B testing built in. And lastly, we have Yotpo loyalty and referrals. Now, this is great if you're already using Yotpo reviews or their loyalty platform. The thing that I don't like about Yotpo is I feel like they're the Salesforce of the e-commerce industry. They're pretty aggressive with their pricing contracts, and overall, I just don't like the way that they work when it comes to locking brands into year-plus long contracts with a tool that they might not even use at the end of the day. It's also quite expensive, but it's still a great tool, and I want to add that on here. So let's talk about a few brands that have absolutely nailed referral programs. The first one is Glossier. Their Give 10, Get 10 offer turned customers into mini influencers. It felt personal and not spammy. Next up is MeUndies. They gamified the whole experience. The more friends you refer, the better your rewards get. And it's addictive. And that's the full feedback loop that we're looking for when it comes to building an aggressive referral program. We want to give as much as possible here. We want to give to the referee, and we want the referrer, the person that's on your list that's already an advocate for you, to become an ambassador and make it something fun and give them something in return. People value their time, and some people value their time more than others. If we can make this all work and we can get your existing customer base and turn them into brand advocates and ambassadors, that's what you want here. We don't want just a little program that touches a few people. We want this to be an aggressive piece of the overall marketing ecosystem for your brand. The magic, simplicity, and clear value. Next, we're going to talk about how to define an offer. The offer is ultimately the most important part of a referral program. If you don't nail the offer, then nothing's going to work here. And your offer needs to answer 2 big questions. 1, what does the referrer get? And 2, what does the friend get? Now, here are a few formats that work really well. The first one is Give 10, Get 10. It's classic and simple. You're gonna give $10 to the person that's getting referred, and you're gonna give $10 in credit to the referee, the person that actually did the referral. This is so simple, it's easy, and the way that you wanna look at this is 1, bake in your customer acquisition costs and manage how much does it cost you to acquire a new customer. Based off of those customer acquisition costs, it'll give you a good idea on how much you can actually give in both ways here. Also, your margin is going to be pretty important. The higher margin you have, which most brands have a 70 to 80% margin, it gives you a better idea on how aggressive you can be with this offer. Remember, the more aggressive the offer, the better. Next, we have refer a friend, get a free gift. This is great for CPG and consumable brands that don't have the same margin and LTV that other brands have that potentially are in the fashion space or accessory space. Next, we have get 20 off your next order when 2 friends buy. This essentially is a performance-based reward and it works well, but out of the 3 of them, I gotta tell you, this is my least favorite. Pro tip, test digital rewards like discounts or store credit first. They're easy to fulfill and drive repeat orders. I'm sure you're thinking at this point, what kind of results can I expect from running a referral program? Now, don't expect your referral program to blow up overnight, but with the right strategy, here's what you can see. First off, with the right referral program and implementation, you can see a 5 to 15% increase in revenue within the first 90 days of launching the right program. Next, you're going to see a higher retention from both referees and referrers. And lastly, you're going to see an increase in brand loyalty and social proof. What's going to happen is the right referral program is going to turn your customers into ambassadors, essentially moving them up the ascension ladder. They're going to be posting about this on social media. They're going to be sending their links and they're going to get their friends to know what's going on here. One of our clients saw a 3x ROI from referrals in the first month alone. And that was before we even optimized the offer. If you're serious about growth, don't wait. Referral programs are one of the most underutilized channels in D2C today. And here's the thing, you want to start simple, you want to test aggressively, and you want to make it easy for your customers to spread the word. Drop a comment below if you want me to review your referral offer, or if you want a free referral strategy audit from my team and I. That's part of our overall brand retention audit. There's a link below to see how you can get in touch with us to schedule your audit today. And if this video helped, smash the like button and subscribe. We've got more no BS e-commerce growth strategies coming your way every week. Love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.